Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to create two Blue Sky accounts. So first thing that you will do is simply open up the Blue Sky application, and now we are going to create our first account by just simply tapping on create account over here. And after that, just simply provide your email address over here, guys, and just simply provide your password down below, and just simply provide your birth date as well. And now just simply tap on next. And after that, just simply provide your user handle. I'm going to go for best online tutorials and tap on next. And after that, just simply provide the challenge. So I'm going to tap on I am human and just simply provide the captcha over here, guys. Now, guys, once you have completed the challenge, you should be able to create your first account. And now, and just simply provide your profile and just simply provide your interest and you're ready to go, and you should be able to successfully create your first account. So now let's create our second account. Just simply tap on the three lines in the top left corner of the screen. And after that, just simply go ahead and go to the settings over here. And now just simply tap on add another account at the top and just simply tap on create account and just simply do the same process with another and a different email address and password and birth date. Now guys, once you have provided your email, password, and birth date, just simply tap on next and just simply provide a user handle for your second account. I'm gonna go for best online 2 and tap on next. And after that, guys, just simply complete the challenge again and just simply tap on I am human and just simply provide the captcha. And now, once you have completed the challenge, you should be able to create your second account. Just simply provide your profile picture, or you can just simply create an avatar instead and just simply select an emoji and a color down below and tap on done and tap on continue. And from here, just simply provide your interest and tap on continue and tap on let's go. And from there, you should be able to create two Blue Sky accounts. There you go. See ya.